Day 3 of Inktober. Today I'm going to be doing something that I'm sure others are probably doing as well, but I thought, what the heck, I'm going to do it anyway. I started sketching it and then I erased it because I thought, you know, first of all, I should just be doing this in pen, and secondly, I wasn't recording. So I was like, oh crap. So I've erased it and I'm going to start over and you can see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to move this along in hyperlapse because that way you guys can watch them quick and painlessly. And they're not long sketches anyway. I guess I could start this way, but I'm going to try using my Feud pen today. I've been wanting to try it. See if I can get my lines a little bit different. So you can see what I'm drawing pretty quickly here. Just go like that with that one. This one, I think I'll just do like this, like that. There we go. And then I need to put this in. This is going to be a campfire. And we are roasting marshmallows today. Do it like that. Maybe a stick coming out here or something like that. Okay, that'll work. And then I want to have my wrinkled up stick coming down from here. I'm not going to add the hand. I did a hand the other day and they're not easy. There. And then I'll put the flames in. So, let's see. I've never really done flames before. I guess I'm not doing this in hyperlapse, am I? There is to it, so I'm going to speed it up now. Okay everyone, I'm just finishing up here, so if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. It really helps me a lot, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And remember everybody, be courageous, paint with wild abandon or sketch with wild abandon, and most of all, be kind to each other. Bye-bye.